If you've been looking for some extra oomph to your hair, well, look no further. Beauty expert Michelle Phillips is here to show us how to achieve that extra length, volume, maybe bangs that you've ever dreamed of. Welcome back.
Thank you.
I gotta say, I'm looking a little different.
I know, isn't it fun?
I had no idea that there were extensions for bangs.
I know. There's so many different types. We're going to get to that in a second. And I was just going to share with you that as a celebrity makeup artist and hairstylist working on sets, I did the cover of Vogue. I've worked on television and films, and always my clients had a wardrobe of hair.
That's crazy to think about.
It's so easy to just add the volume, the length, and it lasts for hours. And of course, it took me 10 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe at times seconds to do their hair as opposed to hours. So now everyday ladies are wearing them. I mean, all the time. And every time I'm here, we're always talking about extensions.
We are.
So I wanted to bring a few to show you. First of all, we transform Natalie in seconds. Look at her bangs. Isn't that cute? These are extensions.
Yeah.
So yeah, basically all you do is just put them on real quick with a snap of a little barrette.
Now I don't know what my hair is going to look like for the rest of this segment. We apologize. Oh, that's look good.
It's cute. But anyway, yep, it just snaps on in seconds. There's little barrettes on the back here, and she just put them right on, and you can just wear bangs. So if you don't want to cut bangs, you can have bangs in a second. Isn't that fun?
And I love that you say it's a whole wardrobe, because I always see celebrities, and they seem to change their hair from one appearance to the next, and you're like, wait a second.
Yeah.
This is how.
Exactly. J-Lo had a bob last week, and now her hair is down to here.
Yes.
It happens all the time.
And I'm a bun wearer.
And this, I see you all the time wearing this at work, so you can just literally throw this on your hair in seconds and have a little chignon. You can put this on the top of your head. You can put it on the side. And look how cute. And a lot of times, I'll go to the beach with my kids and we'd be swimming and stuff, and then they're like, hey mom, we want to go get ice cream, we want to go do this, we want to go do that, and you have this in your bag and you throw it on, you're ready to go.
I love that idea.
Isn't that great?
Because my hair was just terrible after the beach. I'm stealing that. I'm stealing that one.
It's so much fun. You can transform your hair in minutes. Seriously, these are synthetic.
So she's got some in too.
You can curl these, you can straighten them, you can take them to your hairstylist and cut them. So what I have on are a couple types of extensions. I just fasten these right into my hair, and what it was is basically 3 clips that you can just unhook them, and then you stick it right in your hair in seconds, and you've got volume and you've got length. And also, they have the tape-ins.
Well, let's go. So these are the clip-ins we're talking about, and there's different types, and that's what we're always picking your brain about. There's the clip-ins, there's the tape-ins, and then there's the glue-ins.
They're the glue-ins. I had the ones that you glue in years ago, and it really damaged my hair. I prefer the tape-ins. I wear them every day. Women come up to me all the time and say, Michelle, I love your hair. Well, my hair is super thin, super fine, and so I added the tapes, which I will show you guys.
I love this. So we're really getting to know Michelle.
I know,
she's showing all
I'll show you my
secrets.
See how it's taped into my hair here? It's just sandwiched between my own hair, and I have just a few, but what it does is it adds volume and length to my hair. And I originally, when I started wearing these, my hair was in a bob. So I was able to grow my hair out and get my hair healthy again. And now every 2 months I just go get them retaped.
Because these are salons that you do get the tape-ins
I get this
put
done,
in, right?
Yep, from the salon. So basically it's 100% real hair, and they just tape them in, and then they cut them to match your hair. So these are synthetic, these are real hair. And when you want to take a break from the tape-ins, what I do is I wear my little clip-in extensions.
And just the maintenance, though, behind them. How often do you wash? Do you still use your hairspray?
Yeah, for my tape-ins, I wash just like you wash your hair every day if you want. But because they're tape-ins and it stays looking like this, I can go a few days without doing my hair.
So nice.
These you can also shampoo as well. You can use styling products on them. You can use heat. It's just like hair. I mean, it's so easy.
What do people need to keep in mind if this is something that they've been toying with? What would you recommend for people? Because there are so many different options, and it's kind of an overwhelming world right now when it comes to extensions.
It is. I mean, and you can go to somewhere like a local, Sally's Beauty or something, and just inexpensively purchase some hair extensions, play with them at home. If you like them, you like the feel of it, take it to your hairstylist, have them cut it to maybe match your hairstyle or help you with styling them on your own.
Fun times.
Yeah, I think that.
Well, again, if you want more tips, MichellePhillips.com. Thank you so much.
I think the bangs are so cute on you.
There we go.
I know.